Hi you guys, it's JJC. Welcome to my channel, or welcome back. So happy New Year's to all of you. So I made a routine to Shantia's song called Limited Edition. I will put it down in the description. So I'm gonna walk you guys through this routine. I know you guys are probably used to like the one or two moves that I show you guys per video, but this one is gonna be a longer one. I'm gonna try to show you the whole routine and break it down, but be warned that this video may be quite long because I need to teach you guys step by step without the music, and then I'll show you with the music. Alright, so if you're ready for that, stick around. If you've watched my other dance videos, you know that I'm always encouraging you guys to warm up. I don't want to go into too much depth for warm-ups. You can always watch previous videos to see the warm-ups that I do, and incorporate those ones into ones that you may already have, just because I feel like this video may be very long because I'm going to be teaching a routine. It's not like a one-off move like some of my other ones, but I'll show you guys a couple of moves here, and this whole routine really requires like your full body. So I'm going to start off with like stretching here. So remember to keep your arm like parallel to like the floor, like straight. Like not bent here, like we need it straight, okay? Because then you can really feel that muscle stretching there. Okay, hold that for like 5 seconds. Okay, so do that as many times. If it feels super duper tight, then you should do it like, a few more times on each side. Okay, you can do this stretch here. So when you're pointing out like your arms, like even your fingers like straight, like you feel more of a stretch than if it was like closed or bent, right? Like when everything is like extended out, you get more of a stretch. Okay, then we could do these around for those shoulders. Okay, then I always do like jogging on the spot, like lead into jumping jacks. Okay, you got like just jogging on the spot. Okay, jogging on the spot. Then do like some other stretches, like down here. Okay, get that inner thigh stretch. Okay, so hold those for a few seconds. Here. And you can always do this one where your legs are like shoulder width apart and like try to touch the floor. Okay, so if you really need to get your heart pumping and your blood flowing, jumping jacks is great. Okay. Some more stretches. There you have it, guys. There's the warm-up. Okay, so the first move is going to be just very simple, just giving a little attitude, If you're not comfortable with the attitude, you could just literally stand still, but it's basically just fanning yourself off like, I'm hot, I'm too hot for this. Okay, so the next part, you're basically rolling your wrists, okay? I'm gonna come a little closer for this part. Okay, so I'm not doing the whole arm, like I'm not doing from elbow, like going in a circle. I'm doing literally more like the wrist. Okay, so it's like this. So we're gonna do that 4 times. So you're gonna go roll, push, back. And you're gonna kind of drop your body in it. Okay, and then 2, then you step back with the other foot, 3, 4. Okay, so let me show you that move, how it's gonna look. It's gonna go 1, 2, 3, 4. It's gonna go ba 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 ba. So right, left, and then as you come down, you're gonna go right, back, left, back. Okay? So it's a little bit easier if when you're coming to the front, you do a little, like a little bit of your tippy toes. Not like totally tippy toe, but like on the foot pad. Okay? So you come up, boom, boom. Ha ha. So after you have that now, you're gonna do like, it's not a slap, it's like a swipe, all right? So after we do that, you're gonna look to your left, use your right hand to kind of move your face to the right, drop that hand, then you're gonna swing it over to land on your knees, on your left knee. Then you're gonna do kind of like a 1 drop. So it's where your leg is kind of stiff and you're just kind of lifting it up from the hip. Okay, and you just do that a few times kind of fast. Maybe like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so you're gonna go pull and pull. Then you're going to connect your hands, okay, like so. And you're gonna bend from your knee, point your toes, 2, 3, 4 to drop it. Okay, so I know people are probably gonna ask, like, what is this? It's not kicking back like this. That's not what it is. I'll show you from here. It's literally bend it, but you're pretending like there's a circle, but you're going from the outside to the in. Outside to the in. Outside to the in. Outside to the in. Okay, so you're gonna be doing that 4 times. So when you come here, you're gonna go pull, pull, connect your hands. 1, 2, 3, 4 to drop. Then you're gonna go, this is like an afro move, okay? Open up your arm here. Then you're going to go 1, 2. And them up. Then you're gonna go 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, let's say pause to come in, down, swipe, here, circle, and done. 5. Then pull, pull, connect, knees, 2, 3, 4, pause, drop, then afro, afro, hit, hit. To come together with, make a fist, but turn it upside down, so it's like here. Then you're gonna kind of like tap your foot really quickly. 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Then you're gonna extend it out. Then you're gonna isolate. Then you're gonna turn your head. Then you're gonna bring your other foot together. You're gonna do it on the other side. 1, 2, 3, 4. Out. Turn your head. Come together. Okay. Then we're gonna lead into Ponder reverse. So it's gonna go 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, on that 4th leg, you're gonna swing your leg over to the side to prop you here to get on the floor. All right, and then do 1, 2, 3, 4. So come up slightly, semi squat here to raise up here. Then you're gonna go thunderclap 2 times, higher level 2 times. Then you're gonna go this move. 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Then you're gonna go 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3. Ending is just like whatever you want, but I just go with the lyrics, talk about money, about giving it away. So I just do something like that. Alright guys, so there you have it. You just learned the routine that I created and that I'm teaching you guys. So hopefully you enjoyed it. Don't forget to comment, like, subscribe, share, all that good stuff. You know, I thank you from the bottom of my heart for watching and just, you know, communicating with me. So thank you so much, and I'll see y'all on the next one. I'll see you on the next one. I'll see you on the next one. It's your girl JJC. Toodles.